Greetings, brothers and sisters, those of you who are in Dominica and those of you who are in the surrounding area. Something unexpected and something amazing happened. I overlook a week in the month of November. I thought that I was going to go back to the US to have some meetings there in the US after I leave here. I leave St. Lucia, which is where I am now. And by the way, for those of you watching, we are still in St. Lucia and we will be having some more meetings this Wednesday, tomorrow, and this coming weekend, Friday and Saturday. Now, let me go back to what I was about to say previously. I overlooked an extra week in my calendar, and it just so happened that God has allowed that to happen, and that is the reason why this announcement is possible. And what is the announcement? That by the grace of God, next week I will be coming to Dominica, the country of Dominica. Many of you from that region, from that country, have requested me for a long time now. Even recently I saw comments requesting that I would come, but I had no plan, as I mentioned. But God made it happen. We met a dear brother here last Sabbath who traveled all the way from Dominica to attend our meetings here in St. Lucia. And as a result of communicating with him, connecting with him, and we talked about it, and I saw the extra week, and now we are letting you know that by the grace of God, I will be coming to Dominica next week. We will have meetings on Friday evening, the 22nd, and also all day Sabbath, the 23rd. We might have something on Wednesday evening as well, but we will let you know about that for sure. But as for now, it has been scheduled for the 22nd Friday evening and the 23rd all-day Sabbath, that we will have some meetings there by the grace of God. The meetings will take place at the Windsor Park Sport Stadium in Rosal. Again, it's the Windsor Park Stadium or Sports Stadium in Rosal, beginning at 7 o'clock on Friday evening and beginning at 9:30 on Sabbath morning. And you would go to the first floor when you get to the stadium. If we have the opportunity as well, we will have some baptism. So let everybody know, tell your friend, tell your neighbors, invite them, Adventists, non-Adventists alike. Let them know that I will be coming by the grace of God to Dominica, as God has allowed it to happen, to have some meetings there. And we will also have lunch, free lunch. Come and fellowship with us. That would be on Sabbath, all day Sabbath. Come and break the bread of life with us. If you have some food allergies, you are welcome to bring your own food, but we would prefer that the food does not include meat or dairy products or anything like that. So again, mark your calendar and invite everyone. I will be there by the grace of God, starting on the 22nd and the 23rd. And as I mentioned, there's a possibility that we might have meetings on Wednesday evening next week as well. So we are looking forward to fellowship with each one of you, looking forward to break the bread of life with you, looking forward to study the prophecies as they are being fulfilled very, very rapidly with you. And until that day comes, we hope and pray that we will all be there, fellowshipping together, breaking the bread of life together. And our goal, the objective, is to help prepare a people to receive the latter rain. Our goal and objective as a ministry is to go throughout the whole world and to prepare a people for the imminent coming of Jesus Christ. Looking forward to see you there. Until then, may the Lord richly bless you.
have been opened, how shall we stand in that great day, when every thought and word and action God the righteous Judge shall weigh? How shall we stand in that great day? How shall we stand in that great day? Shall we be found before Him wanting, or with our sins all washed away? The work is begun with those who are sleeping. Soon will the living here be tried out of the books of God's remembrance, His decision to abide. How shall we stand in that great day? How shall we stand in that great day? Shall we be found before Him wanting, or with our sins all washed away? Oh, how shall we stand that moment of searching, when all our sins, those books